I'm trying to access a shared folder from another computer, NAS, or network drive, but Windows is blocking it. This problem usually happens on Windows 11 or Windows 10 when Windows blocks guest access for security reasons. Because of this policy, you can't open the shared folder from another device. Let's see how to solve this problem. Click on the Windows icon. Here, type regedit and click Enter. Click on HKey Local Machine. Then System. Click on the current control set. Click on Services. Click on Landman Workstation. Now click on Parameters. Right-click here. Click toward 32-bit value. Type Allow and secure guest auth. Press Enter. Now double-click on the new registry key. Change the value to 1. Close it now. After doing all this, now you will be able to access the folder without that security error.